The first time that I used a Sony camera, I actually needed a video camera. I did some research and I found that Sony cameras had continuous autofocus when you're shooting video. The ergonomics for me were different and they were inviting, and so I said, let's see what it does for stills. And I tried it against what I was shooting at the time and I was blown away. I would tell people that a new camera is not going to make you a better photographer, but a weird thing was happening where I was using a new camera and my photography was getting better, and I could not figure out for the life of me what it was. And it turns out, and I realized that about a year into shooting with the Sony system, was that with the electronic viewfinder and with the features that the camera offers, it allowed me to take that technical aspect of getting images in focus, just kind of let the camera do that, and focus on interacting with the client or with my subject, posing them, getting them to act out a certain way, and my images just got better from that technical process being taken out of my hands, and the camera takes care of it. Nowadays, you're able to get a compact body, battery that lasts you all day, dual card slots, continuous eye autofocus, 4K video, picture profiles that can make your color look beautiful, and you get all of it into a single small camera body that you can take with you everywhere.